Hey learners, welcome back to Mr. English Guide. Today, we're listening to a 10-minute daily life conversation between Arfa and Alex. You'll learn how to talk about your morning routine, work, food, and evening plans, all in natural, easy English. Let's begin.
Morning, Arfa. You're up early again.
Good morning, Alex. Yeah, I woke up at 6 today, trying to make it happen.
6? That's early. I usually wake up around 8.
You're missing the best part of the day. I like to start my morning with a walk.
Oh, really? Do you walk every day?
Almost. I go to the park near my house. It's quiet and the air is fresh.
That sounds nice. I usually just scroll through my phone after waking up.
Typical. You should try walking. It really gives you energy for the whole day.
So, what did you have for breakfast today?
I made some oatmeal with fruits and a cup of green tea.
That's healthy. I just grabbed some toast and coffee on my way.
You always skip a proper breakfast. That's not good for your health.
I know, but mornings are always a rush for me.
You can prepare something simple the night before, like overnight oats.
Maybe I should try that. Thanks, Arfa.
You're welcome. Small changes make a big difference.
So, what's your plan for today?
I have a team meeting at 10, then I'll work on my presentation for tomorrow.
Oh, the one about digital marketing trends?
Yes, I've been preparing it for a week. What about you?
I have some online classes in the morning, then I'll edit a few videos in the afternoon.
Sounds productive. You're working on your YouTube project, right?
Yeah, it's a tech review channel. I'm trying to post more regularly.
That's great. Consistency is the key on YouTube.
True. By the way, you should start your own channel. You explain things really well.
Maybe one day, but I'd probably make cooking videos.
Perfect. I'll be your first subscriber.
Speaking of cooking, what are you having for lunch today?
I think I'll order some fried rice or pasta. You?
I packed my lunch. Grilled chicken with salad and some rice.
You're so organized. I wish I could plan meals like that.
It just takes a little practice. Cooking at home saves money and it's healthier.
Yeah, that's true. I spend too much on food delivery.
Try meal prepping. Cook once, eat twice.
That's actually smart. You're full of ideas today, Arfa.
Maybe one day, but I'd probably make cooking videos.
I try my best. So, what do you usually do after work?
I like to relax a bit, read a book, or watch a show.
What are you watching these days?
The Hidden Truth. It's a mystery drama, keeps me guessing every episode.
Oh, I've heard of it. Maybe I'll start it tonight.
It's addictive. Don't blame me if you stay up too late.
I'll try to control myself. After dinner, I usually play guitar or watch YouTube.
That's nice. Music is such a good way to relax.
Do you ever plan your next day before sleeping?
Yes, always. I write down 3 things I want to do the next day.
That's a good idea. I usually forget what I need to do.
Try writing it on paper. It clears your mind and helps you sleep better.
I'll do that tonight. You're full of good habits.
Not always, but I try.
And that's the end of today's daily life conversation with Arfa and Alex. Let's review. You learned phrases for morning routines, meals, work, and evening plans, all in natural English. Repeat this conversation aloud to improve your fluency. Comment your favorite line below and practice it in your own sentence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more real English conversations every day on Mr. English Guide.